Welcome to Into Deep Promotions. In today's video, we bring you highlights from one of the most electrifying nights Gulu has ever witnessed. Nigerian superstar Rudeboy of P Square set the stage on fire at Acholi Inn Hotel with performances that left fans screaming for more. The venue was packed to capacity and the energy was through the roof. Stay tuned as we dive into the unforgettable moments from this incredible event which happened at Acholi Inn Gardens yesterday, 21st of December 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Let's get started. The night at Acholi Inn Hotel, Gulu, was nothing short of magical as fans gathered in large numbers to witness a performance by the legendary Rudeboy of P Square. From the moment he stepped on stage, the crowd erupted with excitement, singing along to every hit song. His unmatched energy, smooth vocals, and engaging stage presence made the night truly unforgettable. The atmosphere was electric, with fans dancing and waving their hands in the air as Rudeboy performed classic P-Square hits like No One Like You, Do Me, and his solo anthems like Reason with Me. The love and connection between the artist and the crowd were undeniable, with fans cheering louder after every song, begging him to stay longer. The event, organized with top-tier production, featured stunning lights, crystal clear sound, and an audience that was completely immersed in the moment. Acholi Inn's spacious setup and vibrant energy proved to be the perfect backdrop for a night like this one here. It was a night to remember in Gulu City as Rudeboy of P Square delivered one of the best performances the city has ever seen. His music, charisma, and the overwhelming love from fans created a magical experience that will live on in our memories. If you missed it, don't worry. We have got you covered with exclusive highlights right here on Into Deep Promotions. Make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on more incredible moments like this one here. Until next time, stay tuned for the best in entertainment.